मैम सही आंसर आ गया।
आया?
-77/18।
How come you know that this is the correct one? कैसे पता?
मैम थोड़ा थोड़ा आसानी से आ गया तो पता लगा।
मैम
हाँ जी, yes.
मैम आंसर आ गया। मैम ये दिव्यांका वाला ही आंसर है।
Divyanka gave two answers. Which one?
मैम
First one or
फर्स्ट वन।
minus
मैम
539
फर्स्ट
upon
वन।
126?
यस मैम।
मैम मेरा आंसर सेकंड वाला है, पहले वाला मेरा आंसर नहीं है।
That is incorrect. You must have done the same mistake which Divyanka has done.
मेरा आंसर सेकंड वाला है।
Miss, 1 second, it's taking a little bit time.
Okay, no issues.
मैम गलती मिल गई।
Miss, I almost got the answer.
What is that?
Miss, I'm just adding it. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you give some more questions?
Yes, yes.
Miss, minus 539 by 126.
Minus 39, 539.
Yes, Miss.
This was an answer which was given by Divyanka earlier. I think this must be reducible.
Yes, Miss. It should go by 3.
No,
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me check.
I think by 7.
Okay.
By 7, it should be divisible.
Yes, miss. 7. You're right.
That means तुम लोग का भी आंसर वो -539/126 was all correct. The only thing is you didn't reduce it to the lowest form. Divyanka and
Okay.
Anushka.
Okay, so miss, my answer is -77 by 18.
Yes, that is correct. है ना? So just check for
Yes.
the reducibility first.
Okay.
This is the fourth part, Anya, which was not there in your book.
Yes, miss. Yes. What part?
मैम डन आंसर आ गया.
Answer आ गया?
मैम कैन आई टेल?
I'm done.
Just wait, just wait. Here the 3 will come together, है ना? 4/13
Yes.
and this -8/13 and plus का 9/13. -5/18 will live apart. So this will be 5/13 and -5/18. This is the only calculation you need to make. Okay, what is the answer, Divyanka and Anushka?
Answer will be -25 by 104.
I'm same.
-25 by 104.
Yes, ma'am. मैम
हाँ,
मैम वो 5/8 है मैम, वो 18 नहीं है.
okay, that is what I was thinking.
Yes.
Ki this must be some bigger value, but I thought it is getting reducible. This is 5/8. All right. Okay. Do one last question.
Miss, same answer.
Same answer. You got it correct.
Yes.
Right.
Hmm.
This is the sixth part, which was also missing in your book. Then we'll
Yes, miss.
study something so that I can give you some homework, as you're
Okay.
having 2 days leave now. Plus minus
Miss,
5.
Saturday, Sunday is no class.
Yes, 5 days week now. So let's keep it off on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Hmm. 7. Those who have 7 in denominator, take them together. Those who have 12 in denominator, take them together. And those who have 8 and 16, it is easier to take their LCM. So take them together. All of you are doing?
Yes, ma'am. मैम 267 by 112 आंसर आ रहा है.
267.
7/112.
Okay. Yes, where you two are stuck? Anushka and Anya.
Ma'am, just a second.
I'm doing it. Just 1 minute.
मैम और क्वेश्चन दे दो.
बेटा मुझे अब वो करवाना है. I need to proceed with subtraction operation. So just
Ma'am, done.
what is the answer?
Ma'am, 267 upon 112. Same.
Anya, the solution is,
Actually, I'm not getting the answer.
see, taking these two with denominator 7 together, taking these two 12 with denominator 12 together, and 8 and 16 together. So 7, 7, numerator will add up. So this will become 11 upon 7. 12 denominator, 5 upon 7, 5 and 7 will add up. So it will become 12 upon 12, correct? Then for 1 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 16, take 16 as LCM. Dividing 16 by 8, we get 2. Multiplying 1 by 2, we get 2 and minus 5. So this will be finally 11 upon 7. Then 12 upon 12, we can write it down 1. Then minus 3 upon 16. Is it correct up to this place?
Yes.
And taking LCM of 16 and 7, it will be 112. Now multiplying 11 by 16, because when we'll divide 112 by 7, we get 16 as the result. So 11 multiplied by 16, the answer is 176. This is 1 upon 1. So 112 multiplied by 1 is 112. Then dividing 112 by 16, we'll get 7. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, minus 21. So adding them up, we'll get 267 upon 112. All right?
Yes, miss, I got it.
Just keep on practicing so that our speed also increases a little bit in doing the calculations, right? Chalo. Apart from the accuracy, see, accuracy has not to be compromised on any cost. Accuracy first thing and then speed. Fine. Okay. Next, move on to the subtraction of rational numbers. See, what is the difference between addition and subtraction? Only thing is ki whatever we are going to subtract, as if it says subtract A upon B from C upon D. So from this we need to subtract. So C upon D will be coming first, and this thing is need to be subtracted. So this has to become later, and because this is getting subtracted, we need to put a minus sign over here. That is the only difference. Okay?
Yes.
Rest the thing is same. The same way you have performed additions and all. As I say, subtract 3 upon 4 from 5 upon 6. Do it fast. These are small questions. If we have a minus sign involved here, what is to be subtracted? We'll have to take care. Say it would have been if minus A upon B, then here it will become C upon D minus sign because of the subtraction operation, and this minus sign, this is its own sign, minus A upon B. This will become equal to C upon D, minus and minus taken together will become a plus sign, A upon D.
Answer will be 1
answer.
5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4. Just wait.
Answer आ गया.
Let Anya answer it first this time. You keep on doing the next question.
Okay, ma'am.
नहीं हो रहा है क्यों? तुम कर लो अपना काम. It's 11 by 24.
No, ma'am.
No. 4 and 6 taking LCM.
मेरा
4 and 6.
डिफरेंट आ रहा है.
Ma'am, same मेरा भी different आ रहा है.
Okay.
Okay, I'm checking.
Let her recheck. Recheck कर रही हूँ.
Okay, miss.
If written in expression form, it will become 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4. ठीक है? Taking the LCM of 6 and 4 will be 12. See, 6 and 4 divided by 2 will get 3 and will get 2. So 2 multiplied by 3, 6, and 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So LCM is 12. Now,
4.
even if you have taken it 24, no issues. Even if you have taken it 24, the answer will be same. Even if I go for 24, what happens? 24 divided by 6, I'll get 4. 5 multiplied by 4, this is 20. Then a minus sign. It's divide 24 by 4, we'll get 6. 6 3 ja 18. So what remains here? 2 upon 24. Let's reduce it further. It will be 1 upon 12. Or if we take an LCM 12 over here, let's divide 12 by 6, we'll get 2. So multiply 5 by 2, this is 10. Minus sign, divide 12 by 4, we'll get 3. 3 multiplied by 3, this is 9, resulting in 10 minus 9, that is 1 upon 12. Okay, Anya?
मैम मेरा सेकंड और थर्ड का भी आ गया.
Okay. क्या आ रहा है सेकंड का?
मैम सेकंड का आएगा -19/56.
Same -19/56.
And third?
मैम थर्ड आएगा 3/2.
Anya, are you there? You got it, Anya, the first question?
मैम
Yes,
मेरा
miss, I
सेकंड
got
का
it.
आंसर आ
Understood
मैम
well.
मेरा थर्ड का आंसर आ गया.
Wait, Anushka. Anya,
Yes,
you got the answer for first question, the solution and answer?
Yes, miss. Got it.
Okay. Now continue with the second question. See, from -5/7,
Oh.
we need to subtract. So because we are subtracting, we'll put a minus sign. And what we are subtracting? We are subtracting -3/8. So what will become? This is -5/7. This will come as such. But this minus here and this minus here will combine together and will become a plus. So this is -5/7 plus 3/8. Taking LCM of 7 and 8. 7 8 ja 56. Dividing 56 by 7, we'll get an 8. Multiply this 8 with -5, it will become -40. Plus sign. Dividing 56 by 8, we get 7 as the answer. Multiplying 7 with 3, this is 21. Resulting in an answer minus, what is the answer, Divyanka and Anushka? This is -19/56. Correct? Can you hear me?